So today I'm going to start trigonometric ratios. So you must have completed it, right?
Yeah.
All right. So just a quick revision. If I have any right angled triangle. So first of all, trigonometry is applied only on a right angle triangle. One of the angle has to be 90 degree. And okay, what is trigonometry? Can you tell me, Aman? What exactly you do in trigonometry?
Um, like there will be right angle triangles. We have to like find the
Hmm.
sin A, suppose, or something.
Yeah, okay. So basically it gives you the relationship between the angles and the sides of a right angle triangle. Okay. Uh, okay, if this is a right angled triangle, ABC, right? Okay, ABC. So one angle is 90 degree. That means now total sum is 180 degree. We know angle sum property. So in a triangle, the sum of all the three angle is 180 degree. Now angle B is already 90. That means A and C, the sum of A and C has to be 90. Is that okay? Right? Angle A plus C is actually equal to 90. That means A and C both are acute angles. They have to be less than 90. Is that okay? So if one of them is theta, the other is going to be 90 minus theta. Is that understood? Anyway, so there are 6 trigonometric ratio. The first is called sine, and you have to take one of the acute angle here. So I'm taking angle theta this time. Is that okay, Eman?
Yeah.
Okay, so these ratios are taken for one of the acute angles only. So sine of theta, then you have cos of theta, and then you have tan of theta, right? And cosec of theta, and then we have sec of theta, and then we have cot of theta. So theta is one of the acute angle of this triangle. Now, okay, now people are coming. Hamna, can you hear me? Hamna, please unmute yourself. Rida, please unmute yourself. Can you hear me? Yes, am I audible to both of you? Hamna, Rida? All right. Uh, so sine theta is basically perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. Now, if I'm taking this angle theta, so the perpendicular will be the side which is opposite to this angle. That means AB. Is that clear? And hypotenuse is obviously the longest side of this triangle and the side which is opposite to the 90-degree angle. So that is AC. Is that clear? Okay. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Now what is base here? Now because you are taking this angle theta, so one of the leg of this angle will be called base, right? So base will be BC divided by AC. Fine, Eman? Okay. So tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So you are taking angle theta, so the perpendicular will be AB divided by base will be BC. Is that clear? Now please reply yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now cosec is actually 1 upon sine theta. This we know, it is reciprocal. So you can simply write H upon P. That means AC divided by AB, right? Okay. Now sec theta, this is actually 1 upon cos of theta. So we can inverse it. So it is H upon B. So this is AC upon BC, right? And similarly, cot of theta is 1 upon tan of theta, right? So it will be base by perpendicular. So it will be base is BC and divided by AB. Is that understood? And tan theta is nothing but it's actually sine of theta and divided by cos of theta, right? You can also check it. So you get perpendicular by hypotenuse and you get base by hypotenuse. So both hypotenuse cancels out and you get perpendicular by base, right? Okay, so this you remember. And the way to remember is this. There's a sentence, pretty baby Priya is happy, happy baby. If you can remember this sentence, you'll not forget. Yeah. So you write like this, write the first words. So P, B, P, then you write H, H, and B. I mean, don't leave this, okay? So you have to read it like this. This will be your sine and cos, and this is tan, right? So for sine, you'll read like this. So that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos is base by hypotenuse. Tan will be perpendicular by base. Right, Eamon? Okay. Now, inverse of cos is cosec. So you write here cosec. And then you read like this. So cosec will be h upon p. And inverse is sec. So it will be h upon b. And the inverse is cot. So it will be base by perpendicular. So please write it somewhere in your copy so that you remember. And there can be other sentences if you know something else that also you can remember, but please keep this in mind. Hamna, are you there, Hamna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rida, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, you have to respond sometimes. Otherwise, how would I know you are listening or not listening? Okay, Aman, is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Just one more thing I want to discuss, then we will do questions. So the earlier I took this theta, A, B, and C. This was my triangle, right? Now I'm taking my theta or something else I can call it. Okay, let's say this is my theta this time, right? Now tell me one thing. If I'm writing tan of theta, so tan of theta, that means perpendicular by base. So which side is now perpendicular, Eman?
BC,
Okay, and base?
AB.
AB. Okay, that is fine. Let us now do questions. Rida, is this okay? Do you remember all this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us solve. So first question, it can be like this. If one of the trigonometric ratio is given, for example, sine of A is 2 by 3, right? Find other trigonometric ratios. Please write down. So one of the question I'm solving and then I'll give you questions to solve, right? So now see here, you make a triangle first of all. ABC. Let's say this is the right angle triangle, right? So we don't know sides right now. Now come here, what is given to you? So sine of A, that means this angle they are considering, all right? One of the acute angle. A has to be one of the acute angle. I mean, you cannot write A here, okay? A is not the 90-degree angle because you are taking sine of it. So it has to be one of the acute angle. I hope it's understood. Now sine of A. Now sine we know perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? So if I'm taking this angle A, so perpendicular is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Now this is given to be 2 by 3, right? So from here I can conclude that BC is 2 times of something and AC is 2 times of the same number. Heman, is this clear? Why I'm writing
Yes.
K, is that clear? So BC is 2K and AC is 3K. Yeah, should I explain it, Heman?
Uh,
Okay, now see here, I cannot write BC is 2 and AC is 3. Why? See, answer will be same in case of trigonometry here. There's no problem, but conceptually it's wrong to write it. Why? It is only one of the possible answer, right? So I cannot simply write BC is equal to 2 and AC is equal to 3. Now try to understand the, okay, just to understand, the ratio of BC by AC has to be 2 by 3. Now, for example, BC is 8, right? And AC is, let's say, 12. Now I take ratio BC upon AC. So I get 8 upon 12. Divide by 4. So I get 2 by 3. That means for this value also I'm getting the ratio 2 by 3, right? So basically what is happening here? So 2 by 3 is actually being multiplied by 4, isn't it? Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Now, for example, BC is, let's say, 10 and AC is 15. Now you again take ratio BC by AC. So you get 10 upon 15. So that is again 2 by 3, isn't it? If you divide. So basically what is happening? 2 is multiplied by 5 and 3 is also multiplied by 5. That means uh, 2 and 3 are always multiplied by the same number. So the ratio will remain 2 by 3. So that K can be 1 also, K can be 2 also, K can be 100 also. So BC, let's say it can be 200 and AC is 300, right? And you take the ratio, so you again get 2 by 3, isn't it? So it is always 2 times of some number and AC is 3 times of some number. I hope you understand now. So for all the multiples of 2 and 3, the ratio will be 2 by 3, just to summarize. Okay. So BC is 2K and AC is 3K. Now I want to know the third side of a triangle, so I can use Pythagoras theorem. So here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So that means AC square minus BC square is equal to AB square, because I want to find AB. AC is 3K whole square. BC is 2K whole square is equal to AB square, right? So 9K square minus 4K square is equal to AB square. So 9 minus 4 is 5K square is equal to AB square. So that means under root of 5K square is equal to AB, right? So K can come out. So under root 5K is equal to AB. So the third side is under root 5K. Is that clear? So just I'm drawing it again here. So this is A, B, C. So this side came out to be under root 5K. This was what? 3K and 2K, right? Yeah. So this was 3K and this was 2K. Now sine was already given. You have to find the other ratio. So find cos of A. This angle I'm considering A. Cos is base by hypotenuse. Now base will be AB. Hypotenuse will be AC. So AB is under root of 5K. AC is 3K. So K get cancels out. It is under root 5 by 3. Clear? Similarly, you can find tan of A, which is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular in this case will be BC, base is AB. So that is 2k divided by root 5k. K cancels out. So 2 by root 5. Clear? Yes, Eman, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And similarly, you can find the other ratios. Now I'm giving you one question to solve and then you will tell me the answer. Tan of theta is equal to 11. That's it. So this is given to you. Now find all the other trigonometric ratios. Rida, you will tell me the answer this time, okay? Please solve it quickly. And just let me know if you're not able to, then we will solve it together. Okay, just one hint, right? If this is only 11, you can take it 11 by 1, right? Take it like this.
Ma'am, for all trigonometric ratios, right?
Yes, you have to find all except tan, all the 5.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
All right. So what is the value of sine theta?
Root 122.
Sine theta. Root 122 will be the third side of the triangle, isn't it? It has to be in ratio, Rida. It is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Solve it in the same manner as I have done, right? The first one. First of all, find the 3 sides of the triangle, then find sine of A. Yes, Eman. Have you got something?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. What is sine A? Sine theta?
11 by root 122.
Yes, it is 11 by under root. Yeah, Rida, see here. You are having.
Cos is 1 by root 122.
Okay, that's right. Cos theta is 1 by under root 122. Hamna, what is tan theta here? Quickly. Sorry, tan was already given. So tell me cosec theta. Quickly. Hamna. Okay. Rida, how much is cot theta?
Root 1 cot
Cot.
is 1 by 11.
1 by 11. Okay, that's right. So you can do it. Okay, now next question number 3. If cot of theta is equal to 7 divided by 8, evaluate this 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus of sine theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus of cos theta. Now do it.
I came late. Can you tell what we're doing?
Yeah, so we are revising trigonometry.
Okay, ma'am.
So this you all know, trigonometric ratios. So I started from here. What is sine theta, cos theta, and like that. And then we are doing some questions. So currently I have given this question to solve. You can start solving.
Okay, ma'am.
If cot theta is 7 by 8, then you have to evaluate this thing.
Ma'am, in the last class also you did the same, like the revision of trigonometry.
No, I completed that chapter. What was that area related to circle?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, who has completed?
Ma'am, 49/64.
Okay, so Rida is getting 49/64. Eman, what is your answer? Yes, Eman.
Same 49/64.
Okay, this is right. Harsha, have you got it?
No, ma'am.
So do you know how to do this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anyway, just note it down. You can complete this. You should get 49/64. Let's do the next one. Okay, now if tan theta is equal to A upon B, find A sine theta and minus B cos theta divided by A sine theta plus B cos theta. Now please do it. Yeah, done. Yes, has anybody done it? Is it such a long question? Nobody is responding. Yes, Eman, completed?
Um,
Yes. Rida, what about you?
Ma'am, I got a square minus b square by a square plus b square.
Yeah, so that's right. Yeah, who else is getting it? Eman, are you getting it? I didn't hear you said something. Harsha, have you got it?
I'm doing.
Okay, Rida, start the next one. If tan theta is 1 upon under root 7, right? So you have to find this. Eman, please unmute yourself.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, have you completed fourth one?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, you got it. Now do the fifth one.
Ma'am, could you explain the fourth one?
Yeah, sure. So tan theta is A by B, right? Okay, so draw a triangle. Take one of the angle theta here, right? ABC. Right. So tan of theta is perpendicular by base, that we know, right? So perpendicular is AB, base is BC. Now this is equal to A upon B. So that means we can write that AB is equal to A times of some number and BC is equal to B times of some number. So this is AK and this is BK. Is that okay? So you find AC now. So from Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be AB square plus BC square. So AC square is AK whole square plus BK whole square. So this is A square K square plus B square K square. So K square you can take common and this is A square plus B square. Is that okay? So AC will be square root of this thing, which is K square into A square plus B square. So 1K will come outside. So K into square root of A square plus B square, right? Okay. So the third side, that is the hypotenuse, is this under root A square plus, B square into K. Now you can find the other ratios. Okay, I draw it again. So this is K into under root A square minus B square. And perpendicular was how much? AK and BK. Okay, AK and BK. This is your thing. So you write sine of theta, that is perpendicular by ABC. So perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? That means AB by AC. So this is AK. Oh, sorry, you have to find something else, not the sine theta. Wait. A into sine theta. Okay. Then you need sine theta. Okay, that's fine. Sorry, I'm writing again. So sine theta is equal to P by H, which is again AC by AB by AC. AB is A into K and AC is this K into square root of A square, sorry, minus B. Was it minus or plus? Which I found. That was plus, yeah? Was that okay? So
Yes,
K cancels out. So it is A upon under root A square, sorry, B square. Now you also find cos theta, that is base by hypotenuse. So base here is BC upon AC. So that is B into K, and again this is K into square root of A square plus B square. So B upon square root of A square plus B square. So sine and cos you require. Now we put it here. What was that? A sine theta and minus B cos theta, and then divided by A sine theta and plus B cos theta. Okay, now you put it here. So this is A into sine theta is this A upon square root of A square plus B square minus B into cos theta, B upon A square plus B square divided by again this A into this thing, this time plus B into B upon square root of A square plus B square, right? Okay. So this is simply, now if I directly take LCM in the numerator, so this is square root of A square plus B square, and both denominator are same, so it is simply A square minus B square, right? And similarly you take LCM of the denominator because both are same, and you get A square plus B square, right?
okay, ma'am.
And then both the denominators will cancel out and it will be A square minus B square divided by A square plus B square.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, what about the next one? Question number which I gave just now. Fifth one, what is the answer, Rida? Here? Aman, what is the answer? Question number 5.
Like I didn't get till now. I'm doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, 48/64.
Sorry, say again. 40?
48/64.
No, it's not right. Okay, who else has done it?
384 by 512.
Great. Different answer. 512. So this can be reduced, both divisible by 2. So I think uh, but I don't think it's right. Just try to simplify this. Bring it into the simplest form. Let's see what is coming out. See, both are even, can be divided by 2. I think Rida, you also, yeah. Just try to simplify this. 48,
3/4.
3 by 4. Yeah, that's right. Sorry, I didn't notice that. Okay, 3 by 4 is the right answer. Yeah, Aman, is 3 by 4 coming here? 384 by 512. So let us divide by 2. 2 into 1 and 2 into 9 and 2 into 2. Then 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 5, 11. Okay. Again by 2. So 2 into 9 is 18 and 96 divided by 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 128. Okay, then again 2. So 2 into 4 is 8 and 2 into 8 is 16. Then it is 64. Yeah, it will be 3 by 4. You're also right, Aman. This is right. But you have to bring it to the simplest form. Harsha, any progress?
Still doing.
Hmm. So one more question I'm giving you. Now I'm writing some question. Now take them as an homework also, and we still have 10 minutes, so you have to solve them right here. And whichever are left, you will complete in the homework. Okay, so this question came in CBSE earlier. In a triangle ABC, please note right angled at A. If tan of C is under root 3, find the value of sine B cos C plus cos B and sine of C. Now please solve it right here.
Ma'am, can you scroll a bit up once?
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
I got the first one as 1 by 4.
Just 1 minute. The homework, right? 1 by 4. No, I don't think it's right. It has to be
Ma'am, I
1.
got it as 1.
Yeah, 1 is right. Evan. The answer is 1, okay? Please try it again. So in the next class, we will take up second exercise, right? And yeah, one more I want to give you. This is sag, okay? If sag of A is 5 by 4, okay, then verify that.
Ma'am, can you scroll up once? Ma'am, can you go down?
Okay, now fifth one, I'm just giving you some hints. It's a bit different. Okay, I hope you have written. Now see here. You have to find tan theta, right? And something like this is given. So it's not a ratio which is given. So you have to bring it in the form of ratio. Uh, so first of all, you can divide throughout by cos theta. Any issue? I mean, both sides we can divide by cos theta. Because sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta. So we are trying to bring it in the form of tan theta. So both sides I'm dividing by cos theta. Then I can separate them. So 3 cos theta and divided by cos theta minus 4 sine theta upon cos theta is equal to 2 cos theta divided by cos theta and plus so sine theta divided by cos theta, right? Okay. So cos theta cancels out. This is 3 minus this is 4 tan theta. And again, this is 2 plus tan theta. Is that okay? Yes, is that okay so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 3 minus 2 is equal to tan theta and plus 4 tan theta, correct? So 1 is equal to 5 tan theta and 1 upon 5 is equal to tan theta. So now you have got the ratio, and then, okay, you are supposed to find tan theta only. Okay, that's it. So tan theta is 1 by 5. And if it is written that find other ratios like cosec, sec, cot, so you can proceed. Now you know how to proceed further, right? Okay. So please complete all these 4 questions. Fifth one I've already done. Okay. Aman, uh, can you just send me one message on WhatsApp? Do you have my number?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, if you have, so please send me, write your name, and then you have to send a picture of the homework to me on the WhatsApp after completing. And everyone will send me Rida, Harsha, Hamna. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, then bye. You can leave
Thank you,
now.
ma'am.
Okay, bye.